Vocaroo, vocaroo.com, completely free, premier voice recording service, cloud-based voice recording service that we can use. What is use of this platform? This is a cloud-based service. For example, you are listening some lecture, whether it is online or offline, or you are watching some YouTube video. That particular YouTube video you want to record, or whatever lecture you are attending in face to face mode, you want to record without any noise. Vocaroo.com, cloud based voice recording service without any noise. By default, noise filtering feature is also available. So you can see remove background noise. For example, I am attending one session in some seminar hall or in some conference, and I want to use that content. So two ways available. One is audio content. I want to use it in audio mode for listening. Another way, I want to use it in my research paper. For example, some very good expert is delivering session on large language models in generative AI. I want to use that particular content, what that expert is delivering in text format. So what we can do, we can record that lecture. Once that lecture is recorded, obviously that lecture recording should be without noise. So you can see this setting button, remove background noise, auto adjust volume, because when we listen somebody's lecture, when we go through some particular audio, then there may be some up and down in audio. So in this session also, some content we are delivering in high video, in huge uh, content, or some particular content we are delivering in low voice, okay, high voice or low voice. So auto adjust is also available. So once lecture is recorded, so you can see that this one. Now one question may be there, one doubt may be there in participants. Okay, this feature is available in our mobile phone also. Why not to use mobile phone in our mobiles? Recorder is available in everybody's mobile phone. Audio recorder is available. Then why to use Vocaroo? In audio, in mobile phones, generally we are not having background noise removal. There will be noise of AC or cooler or fan. Some people are discussing, some chairs are dragging something, okay, so those particular noise I want to remove. So Vocaro is available with those features, okay. No need to use third party software. So you can see that it is cloud based. So you can see allow, and whatever session is getting delivered, what we can do, we can record it, and once it is recorded, after that we can save and share. So you can see that if I want to share to myself, if I want to share to WhatsApp, Facebook, QR code, if I want to share to Dig or any other platform, I want to download it. Now it's very uh, popular feature, it's very popular benefit we will discuss here. For example, this particular video we have, this particular audio we have recorded, so you can see in MP3 format it is recorded. So if and you, so you can see whatever session is getting deleted, so you can see this one on cloud, it will be recorded on cloud, it is saved. I have downloaded it in MP3 format. Now if I want to use that content in my research paper or in my lecture notes, what I will do, I will convert this MP3 file to text format. So thousands of tools available, MP3 to TXT. So you can see that thousands of tools available. Whatever lecture you have recorded, what you can do, MP3 file. So this is the MP3 file. So simply upload. Okay. So this particular file which we have taken, upload file, and now you can see. So it is very small file. Minimum duration is 20 seconds. So for example, one lecture of 1 hour or 2 hour we have recorded here. For example, this one. Keyword. What we can do. Okay. So Vocaro. And for example, in this session, we are discussing about different tools for teaching and learning, how to make use of AI tools for teaching learning. So we are completing to 20 seconds. So I will talk in this way up to 20 seconds so that some particular data will be recorded. Okay, so we will use it. Once lecture is recorded, we will so stop. Okay, now I will download it, save and share. I want to download it. QR code is available. I want to share to WhatsApp. So in this way, what I am doing, I am not consuming my phone memory. I am not consuming my laptop memory. I am not consuming my data card. Okay, download. Now this one, and now I will upload that file. This one. Okay, so now I want to transcribe. So other some other person is giving lecture, that particular lecture content I want to take for my research paper or for my research report, for my research document. So you can see this one, it is converting to file, and in text file it will be available, and that particular text content we will be able to use for lecture notes, for workshop manuals, for lab manuals, or from for our session also. So you can see that simply. So any of these tools you can use mp3 to txt converter. In case of Pinterest, what we have done in Pinterest, we have converted image to text. Here what we are doing, we are converting audio to text. Okay, so you can see download in txt format, in subtitle format. For example, I want to use it in my YouTube video, Excel format, Word format, text. Okay, so you can see that this one. Is this visible to all of you? So this is the content that I have spoken in this particular audio. So I'm playing it. For example, in this session, we are discussing about different tools for teaching and learning, how to make use of AI. Is this visible to all of you? So this is same content, and there is no spelling mistake. There is no grammar mistake. Okay, so same tools for teaching learning. So we are completing to 20 seconds. So I will talk in this way up to 20 seconds so that some particular data will be recorded. Okay, so we will use it. Once lecture is recorded, we will. So how much it is it is easy. For example, you are listening somebody's or lecture, record it, and once it is recorded, download it. After downloading, convert to TXT format. Okay, so how much it is easy? So simply record any session, and no need to consume, no need to fill your own data, no need to fill your own memory space in mobile phone or in laptop. Everything is on cloud. For example, I want to share to all of you. This is a QR code. So from your mobile phone, you will be able to scan this QR code. If you want to listen this audio, if you want to listen this particular audio session, I will enable this QR code, and you will be able to work with it. This is Vocaru.com. Okay, and you can see that there is no noise. Without any noise, this particular lecture is recorded.